Hi kids, in today's session we are gonna do the big friends concept of double digits. Ma'am, what do you mean by big friend concept of double digits? We didn't do small friends concept. I made you do plus 10s plus 20s formula now. That was small friends concept only. Okay. What do you mean by big friend concept? Do we have to learn more formulas? No. Okay. For example, I have 90 with me. I have to add a 10. Okay. Ma'am, you told me two formulas of 10, which is plus 50 minus 40. And the other one, how should I know the big friends formula of 10 now? Small friends I got to know because I added 0 in the plus 1 small friends formula. That's how I got to know plus 10 small friends formula. Again, you have to do the same thing. Add 0 in the plus 1's big friends formula. You will get to know plus 10's big friends formula. Okay. Why I am adding 0 in 1's? Because if we add 0 and 1, it becomes 10 only, no? So 1 at the same thing. So 10's, what was the 1's big friends formula? It was plus 10 minus 9. Okay. Now I added 0 in its formula. Now it is plus 10 equals to plus 100 minus 90, ma'am. Yes. So what did I understand here? Two formulas of plus 10 I have. Small friends is plus 50 minus 40. Big friends is plus 100 minus 90. If I have 90 with me, I have to do plus 10. I can't do small friends plus 50 minus 40. Why? Plus 50 is already there. I will go to big friends now. What is my big friends in 10 in double digit now? I just told you the formula of plus 10 plus 100 minus 90 plus 100 minus 90. That's how I will do 10. Look again. I have 90. I have to add a 10. I added 0 in 1's big friends formula. It became plus 100 minus 90. Clear? If I have 90, I have to do 20. I added 0 in 2's big friends formula. So 2's big friends formula is plus 10 minus 8. So 20's big friends formula will be plus 100 minus 80. Got it, ma'am. Plus 100 minus 80. This is your plus 20. 90 plus 30. 30's big friends formula plus 100 minus 70. Plus 40 I have to do. Plus 100 minus 60. Plus 50 I have to do. Plus 100 minus 50. Plus 60 plus 100 minus 40. Okay. And plus 70 plus 100 minus 30 plus 80 plus 100 minus 20 plus 90 plus 100 minus 10. Got it? Got it. Okay. Now we will meet in the next video with questions based on this concept. Bye bye.